Hey, what's up everyone? Take a look at this site, couponusd.com. It looks like a massive premium coupon portal, right? But it costs me absolutely $0 a month to host. If you're running a deal affiliate site right now, and what is your biggest monthly expense? I bet I know, it's hosting. And trust me, I've been there. WordPress was absolutely killing me. I was paying $30 a month for slow hosting, another $80 for coupon plugins, plus dealing with plugin updates and security hacks every single week. So I built a completely custom static site generator to fix all of that and eliminate hosting bills forever. This is Coupon Site Generator Pro, a complete Windows app with a built-in blog manager, tracking injector, legal page generator, and an auto logo fetcher. No installation needed. You just double-click and it opens. First, you type in your site name and brand color. Then, you go to Manage Deals, you add your affiliate offers, and the app automatically fetches the store logos for you. You can even manage multiple completely different coupon sites from this one single app using the multi-project manager. And this is the part I love. You just click Generate. Seriously, that's it. In 10 seconds, your entire website is built. Homepage, store pages, blog, legal pages, sitemap, everything as ultra-fast flat HTML files. No database, nothing to hack. And here is the best part. Deploying is literally drag and drop. Go to pages.cloudflare.com, drag your generated timestamp zip file into the browser, and drop it. Your site is live on a global CDN in 30 seconds, completely free forever. The only thing you pay for is your domain name. This is couponusd.com, a real site I built using this exact software. It scores a perfect 100 on SEO. WordPress sites usually score like 30. We even built in a blog manager that generates perfect ChatGPT prompts for you, and a tracking tab that automatically injects your Google Analytics and AdSense code into every page. Plus, every coupon is hidden behind a click to reveal button. When they click to reveal the code, your affiliate cookie drops instantly, commission locked. So, to recap, you get a full static site generator, multi-project management, timestamped backups, AI blog tools, auto-generated legal pages, click to reveal cookies, and one-click drag and drop free deployment. If you want to see the live results, go check out couponusd.com. Then, when you're ready to build your own, click the link in the description to get Coupon Site Generator Pro, one-time payment of just $67. But wait, there's a special launch bonus. Use the code EARLYBIRD at checkout to get $20 off right now. Just don't wait too long. The code is limited to the first 50 customers only. While your competitors pay for slow hosting, you'll be ranking for free. See you inside.